Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum is priced around $599 and features innovative laser technology that detects dust particles invisible to the naked eye. Its lightweight design allows for effortless cleaning even in hard-to-reach areas, while advanced filtration captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. With a battery life of up to 60 minutes, this vacuum combines cutting-edge features with convenience. Its laser detection provides unparalleled cleaning precision, and the lightweight build ensures extended comfort during use. However, the premium price may deter budget-conscious buyers, and the battery life can be limited in turbo mode. Additionally, the small dustbin requires frequent emptying. The Shark Vertex cordless stick vacuum is priced around $450 and boasts hypervelocity suction for deep cleaning, dual clean technology for efficient carpet and hard floor cleaning, and a self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair wrap. The Tineco Pure 1S12, priced at around $599, includes an iLoop smart sensor that adjusts suction based on detected dirt levels, app integration for tracking cleaning progress, and a detachable battery for extended sessions. It offers smart optimization, quieter operation, and tech-savvy features like app connectivity. However, it shares a similar price point with Dyson without including laser detection, and its bulkier design may limit maneuverability in tight spaces. Some users have also reported occasional connectivity issues with the app. The Samsung Jet 90 Complete, priced at $649, features a digital inverter motor for consistent suction, a telescopic wand for adjustable height, and a 5-layer filtration system that captures 99.999% of fine dust. Its superior build quality and sleek design stand out, and the telescopic wand enhances user versatility. While its filtration system is impressive, the vacuum is heavier than Dyson, comes with a smaller dustbin, and is more expensive without significantly outperforming competitors. The LG CordZero A9 Kompressor, also priced at $649, uses Kompressor technology to maximize dustbin capacity by compressing dirt. Dual batteries provide up to 120 minutes of cleaning time, and washable filters reduce maintenance costs. While it excels in efficiency and extended runtime, it lacks advanced features like laser detection or dirt level sensors. Additionally, its heavier design may reduce ease of use, and it is less maneuverable in tight spaces. The Miele Triflex HX1, priced at $499, features a unique 3-in-1 design that can be configured as an upright, stick, or handheld vacuum. Vertex technology ensures high suction power, and its detachable battery offers flexibility for longer tasks. This mid-range vacuum is durable and adaptable to various cleaning scenarios. However, it is heavier and less ergonomic than Dyson, has a smaller dustbin, and lacks smart features like app connectivity or laser detection. In conclusion, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum stands out for its advanced laser detection and lightweight design, making it a top choice for those seeking innovative cleaning solutions. For budget-conscious buyers, the Shark Vertex IZ462H offers solid performance at a lower price. Tech-savvy users might prefer the Tineco Pure 1S12 for its smart sensors and app integration, while those needing extended runtime will appreciate the LG CordZero A9 Kompressor. The Miele Triflex HX1 provides exceptional versatility, and the Samsung Jet 90 Complete is an option for those prioritizing premium build quality. Ultimately, selecting the best vacuum depends on your priorities, whether they're focused on technology, affordability, or convenience.